Tonight we're going to showcase Cake Wallet on iOS. First step, load up the app and read through all these terms of use. I'll leave that for the reader. Second step, enter a PIN. For purposes of the demo, we'll just do a simple one. And in this case, we're going to create a new wallet. And you can see the coins that are supported. We are going to choose Zcash. Give a wallet a name. And let's go into the advanced settings. We're going to do the simplest possible case and disable everything we don't need. So no fiat, no swap, 24-word seed phrase. And let's disable the service status button there. And I'd like to add a custom node. I recommend everyone learn how to run your own node. And using something like Tailscale, you can access this through your mobile wallet on a private telnet. So let me go ahead and paste my personal telnet here. And take off the HTTPS and the port at the end to just add the domain name only. Scroll down, add the port. Usually it's 9067 or 443. Use SSL. And that's it. Click next. And here's the important part for backups. Please make sure you write this down so that if you lose access to your phone, you have a way of backing up your funds. We'll do a quick verification. A few of these words. 8th, 10th word is this. All right, ready to roll. So beautiful layout. First thing I want to do is go into the settings and double check everything, connection and sync. Let's check out manage nodes. And looks like they default with ZEC rocks, a cakewallet.com node, 2 onion nodes, and obviously the one I added. So for purposes of keeping it simple, I'm just going to delete everything I'm not going to use. So take that off, take that off, take that off. And one of the reasons I like doing this is to verify it works with my own running node that I trust. And so just notice how it doesn't let you delete that. What you have to do is you have to change the current node to the one you want to keep, and then it won't let you delete it. Perfect. And then only one node, just turn off enable auto node switching. All right, we're ready to roll. What else we can look at in the security and backup? We have biometrics, pins, duress, the typical options. Good to see. And in the privacy settings, we're going to go ahead and turn off save recipient address. I'm going to disable the buy action. I'm going to turn off the domain lookups. This is just the simplest possible case for sending and receiving shielded ZEC. In the display settings, you can choose light or dark mode, which is nice. And you can choose the fee priority. All right, we're ready to roll. So notice when I click on buy and swap, nothing happens. That's because we turned off those features. So first thing we need to do is get our address. And I like how they have divided these into different receivers. We got orchard, sapling, transparent, disposable address here. And then the last one we can look at is the unified. So let's go ahead and copy this and send some funds into the Cake wallet. We're going to go ahead and use ZCool and pull up my account. I'm going to paste the unified address we copied from Cake. We'll send 0.15, and we're going to give this a memo too. From ZCool for Cake demo. All right. Got the transaction plan. Looks good. Send. All right. Let's take a look what we see on the Cake side. And refresh. Already have an unconfirmed balance. Let's go into the history and see if we can get some details. Click on the transaction. Already have a confirmation. That was fast. There's the memo. So it looks like it's working good. So as soon as this confirms, we'll be right back. All right, looks like our balance is confirmed. So now we'll go the other direction. We're going to send from Cake Wallet into ZCool. And just to double check, we got 4 confirmations and everything looks good. So let me go grab my backup. You go to the down arrow here. Oops, no. You go into the account. Let it sync up. Down arrow. There we go. We're at the Orchard address. And now we're going to send. Paste the address. And let's just send all. And I also want to give this a memo. So we're going to say first slice of cake. Or whoops, spelled it wrong. First slice of cake. There we go. And looks like this is a little glitchy here. We just got to wait a little longer for the keyboard to go away here. There it goes. Okay, we're going to send into your pin. And very nice displayed confirmation. I love the sliding effect. That's a great feature. And in this instance, I will not save the transaction to the address. Notice the balance went to 0, and we have a sending transaction. And let's confirm on the ZCool side. Already have an unconfirmed transaction. So notice that Cake correctly calculated the fees when I sent the full amount, which is great to see. And let's let this confirm real quick. And oh, there it goes. Getting lucky on the blocks tonight. And check the memo. First slice of cake. So there you have it, guys. Check out Cake Wallet and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you.